So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to see the pandas. So we already seen the pandas, how to read the CSV file and all, and also some methods. So we'll dive deep into those methods by using this sales data CSV file. So first, let me take one section. We'll consider it as day 9th. Pandas continued. So here, first and foremost, let me import that pandas. So this is most crucial part. Import pandas as pd. So after importing, we can import this CSV file by using this method read CSV. Before that, first we need to check is that file exist or not in this folder. So yes, it exists. So I will run this. Shift enter. It is running. Yeah. So we are able to import. So what I'll do, why we need to look into those extra methods of pandas to get to know is the data is already present and which is the present data is valid or not. So we need to clean the data and also we need to analyze the content. So this process is called exploratory data analysis. So that's why we need those method like we need to look those into those methods. First and foremost method is first we need to check is that data is imported correctly or not. For that we have the method. We already seen those methods. Those are dot head method and also CSV tail method. Mm, Shift enter. Yeah. Also I'll comment this out. First we'll see head method. In the head method we'll get 5 rows, right? So yeah, our data is uh, completely able to like we can able to see our data and which is also correct. You can pass here the number of rows you want. I want only 3 rows, first 3 rows. So I'll get first 3 rows. For this tail method, I want last 3 rows. We'll get last 3 rows, right? Now there is another method, that is info read CSV. So this is a technical X-ray we can call as. So I will run this info. We can able to see here all the details of the table. So in that table we have 7 entries. 7 entries, 0 to 6 means 7 rows we have. In the data columns, there's you can able to see there are the columns order ID, product, category, price, order date, and city. These are columns. So there is a crucial part here. See, we can able to see uh, 7 non-null means, so we have 7 entries, right? So here 7 non-null means there is no in the all the columns there is not even a single record, so which is not there. So there are sufficient record, not sufficient, fully record, all the records are there. So which is good for our data analysis. And also you can able to see here order ID as int type, but product and category, order date and city, these are object type. So here basically object means string or text. Okay, so this is one of the important method info. So there is another method pd csv describe. I think the describe is somewhat spelling mistake I made. Yeah, describe. So here, this is column-based method. So here you will get the information about the integer, like numerical columns data, right? There are two numericals are there here. Order ID is a int, right? Also price. These are two numericals data. There is a crucial we need to pay attention to these details because see here count we are getting as like first we'll check with price directly. Mean is 265, right? Means like average number of the price like average the sales happened in that price 265, right? So a standard deviation is 422, which is used it is like very much yeah, bigger than the mean, the standard deviation. It means that there are the values which are very spread out, not linear like that things. Minimum is 25 price for a and 20, like 50% is 70 and maximum is 1200. So there is one point here we need to catch it out. Like 50% is 70 means 50% of the sales happened 50% of the sales happened within a $70, which is very less than the mean, right? Average. So that means uh, the maximum price is pulling out that mean from this 50%, right? There is one sale happened like 50 like 1200. It might be a laptop, so which pulling which make that mean as very high compared to this 50%, right? So this is a crucial part we need to understand. Like this we need to analyze some data, right? Now hope you get this idea, right? Now okay, we can able to study this numerical column. What about these objects, product, category and all? So and also there is an object order date. uh, it is in a string, so we can't able to apply date operations on the string, right? So we need to convert, right? So we'll do that in a later session. Here what I'll do, uh, for particularly for object type columns, we have one method called as value counts. Value counts. So we need to take our first CSV file, CSV file on the price, like on the column. So not product. Uh, Here it is product, right? It is an object. Take product item and add that method value counts. Now we'll see what we'll get in the value counts. So we'll get the insight of the data of that column, like laptop, one laptop, we have headphones, one t-shirt, mouse, backpack, monitor, jeans. Like this, we can able to get the data of that particular column, right? So we can use for this for string uh, string columns. So and also let me check what we'll get if I do this on the date, right? Like product order what is that name? Ordered date. So unlike it is not a string, it is a date format. It is in dot format, right? So let me execute this. First, I'll comment this out. See, same. You can able to see now. So there are two records with the date, same date. This one along with this, along with this. So there is only one record with this date. So we can able to analyze like data like this. Okay. Now uh, so now we will going to see how to fetch the data from this CSV file or this data frame. Actually, it is a data frame, Pandas data frame. That's why we can able to perform these operations. So, so suppose first I'll going to print the data frame itself. PD. So this is what data we have. Now, suppose I want to get this product data. What I'll do, product data is equal to PD CSV. So in the bracket, we need to provide that column name. By providing that column name, we're going to get that product. Now we need to print that product. Sorry, I need to provide this. See, we'll be able to get this product ID. Now, what if I want to get only the sub part of this table? Like I want to get these two columns data. For that, I will take a category price. So actually, we need to pass an array of that column in the PD that data frame. PD CSV of first we need to provide exact what the exact column name. It should be case sensitive, means we cannot provide a capital P with small p. It should be as it is. It should be category. If we print this, see, we can able to get this sub part of that array. Now I want to get I want to add some filters on this uh, like table. So first I will take one example. Suppose I want to get the sales happened only in Bengaluru city. Okay, Bengaluru sales will take Bengaluru sales is equal to PD CSV of so before this sales, first we need to take one condition. Bangalore sales uh, condition or boolean, or else it is better to take is Bangalore condition. Bengaluru sales boolean boolean. So not boolean, it's not convenient. Condition only will take. So what we then we'll take a PD dot PD of CSV where city is equal to Bengaluru. So this condition will return us the true false value where the when like where and all Bangalore is true, there and all will get true to true. So if the row is false, then we'll get as false false false. Okay. So we can see this by printing Bangalore sales condition. So if I try to print this, can see a mistake. See, true false. First one is true means Bangalore is true. False 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 false. Where and all we have false. Now I want to print only the table only where the Bangalore is there. So for that we can take now Bangalore sales. Bengaluru sales is equal to PD CSV of Bangalore sales. So by this condition, we'll able to print the data. See, only in the Bangalore city we'll get this data. We got this data, right? Now I will take another example, the same conditional rendering only by like to print the data like data frame with conditions. One another extra condition. What we'll do? Mm, uh, we'll take category sales in electronics category, or what we'll do? Okay, electronics category only will take electronics electronic sales one will take. So same DF CSV of category is electronics. Printer electronic electronic sales. Actually, sorry. Need to maybe this won't work. I think. Mm, let me try. Can we pass this thing? All right. I need to take electronics. No, it's not DF. Maybe it is PD, not DF. Sorry, guys. I am taking as DF. PD should be PD. Now we'll check. See, like this also you can able to add. No need to take one extra variable, right? Now, what? See, we have seen only in one condition. What if I want to add two conditions at a time? So what I want to do is I want the sales happened uh, like electronic sales happened in New Delhi. Okay, for that both we need to take both conditions here. Electronic sales should be there, new condition should be there, means and condition. For and condition, right? For and condition, we need to use this method, this symbol. And for our condition, we need to use this symbol. Okay, we'll make capitalize it. And so what I want is electronic Bengaluru or Delhi sales. Delhi sales. Right. So PD CSV. If you want to, you can make it as condition. It is good practice to take one variable PD CSV of uh, category is equal to electronics and so first and we also will take on PD CSV of city is equal to, why I'm getting this too. New Delhi. I don't need this extra bracket. So what we are doing here is take this condition, I'll add it here. So yeah, what we are doing here is actually we need to add, like we need to take this curly brace, like this bracket. This is necessary, we can't avoid this. So what we are doing is we are adding two conditions with and. So we are printing the same, no change. Print electronics. We're going to print. We'll see what we'll get. Error. See, only two records. Order ID 102 and 111 So if you want one more condition with our symbol, we'll take exactly copy paste this copy. We're going to paste it here. Instead of this symbol, we'll take this symbol. So condition is either uh, what will take either a price less than 150, the sales where the price is less than 150, or uh, which happened in Mumbai. Okay, good now, cool. First we'll take a price less than 150 or city Mumbai. It's not under, it's our, either it can be price can be less than 150 or it can be in Mumbai. what is this? Price city. Price city is the condition. I will comment this out first one. I will execute. Now let's see. 103, 104, 105, 107. So in 103 we have 25 as less than 150, right? Not Mumbai. It's okay. It is all right. And also 104, which is less than 150. 70 is also less than 150. 60 is also less than 150. So we got in these four records. Yeah. So this is it, guys. If you like this small effort, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, which is very helpful for me. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.